So shall we start the atomic structure? Yes, yeah, no? Okay. So if you talk about the atomic structure, Janab, that is the, I am going only for that topics which are important for your NEET exam, right? Some are the not important at all, like the Thomson atomic model, Dalton's atomic model, they are not important at all. So directly from where the problem was, from the Bohr's atomic model. This is the Bohr's atomic model. So if you talk about the Bohr's atomic model, this is given by, if you talk about given by, okay, Niels Bohr, N-E-I, no, E-N-E-I-E-L-S, E-L-S, apostrophe S, Niels Bohr, this is. So this is the given by. What the point they are saying, why given? To explain, what he want to explain? To explain failure of, okay, to explain failure of Rutherford model. This is what. To explain the failure of Rutherford model. For this reason, he gave the model. Now, if you talk about the what the point, if you talk about the postulates, let us write down the postulates. Okay, what are the postulates? So postulates number one, what is it? That is, their electrons are, what the point, important point, electrons are filled in. They are saying electrons are filled in only those orbits. Which orbit? Only those orbits. Okay, which have fixed energy level. Which have fixed energy level. This is what the point they have said. Fixed energy level. And how much the energy level is there? En is equal to minus. Okay, it will be Janab, that is minus 13.6 into Z square upon N square electron volt. This much energy should be there. Okay, multiple. Now, what the point they are talking about, where N, if you talk about the N means that is orbit number. Okay, N is the orbit number, and Z is the atomic number. Z is atomic number. So these are the first point, which were the important one. Now let us try to understand. Understand the second point. There are various orbits possible. There are various orbits possible around. There are various orbit possible around where? Around the nucleus. Okay. Which are numbered as, they are talking about, which are numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And symboled as, why you are symboled, SYMBL, symboled as, that is they are symboling K, L, M, N, O, etc. Now, point number 4. The radius of, orbits, can be calculated by, how you can calculate the, calculated by formula. What is the formula? So R is equal to, Rn I am writing, Rn is equal to 0.529 into N square upon Z. Okay, picometer. Okay, so this is the radius. Now, if you are here, if you talk about, so N is equal to orbit number, and Z is equal to what? Atomic number. So these are the points. 5 number point, what he said, when electron absorb energy. These all the points are important. We will solve the problem on it. When electron absorb energy, We are talking about when electron absorb energy. So what will it jump? It jump
Yes, sir.
low energy orbit to low energy orbit to high energy orbit. Low energy orbit
Yes,
to
sir.
high energy orbit.
Yes, sir.
High energy orbit. Got it. And sixth one, the last one. When electron lose energy, they are talking lose energy. When electron lose energy, then it falls from, then it falls from where? Falls from high to, then it's fall from high to low energy orbit, low energy orbit, low energy orbit. These are the points, low energy orbit. So these are now problems. Okay, problem. What the problem? They are talking calculate energy of okay,
Yes, sir.
first comma second and third orbit of hydrogen atom. Okay,
Yes, sir.
hydrogen atom. So how can you calculate? See, the first of all, you try to draw the diagram, then only you will be able to understand. Suppose it is the nucleus. Okay, nucleus. So it is the nucleus, a small one. Then it is the orbit number 1. Then it is going to be orbit number 2. Here is orbit number going to be 3. This is going to be 4. And the lastly, it is going to be 5. So here that is orbit number if you are representing. So this is the 1. Here is 2. This is 3. Here is
Yes, sir.
4. This is 5 orbit number. This is the K. This is L. This is M. This is N. And this is O. So these are the orbit number. Got it? This is the orbit number. So they are asking how much energy is there for the first orbit. If it is nucleus of hydrogen atom, so how much energy will be these. Okay. So,
Yes, sir.
so suppose for first orbit, so energy, how to write energy? Energy is equal to, we are writing E1. Why E1? First orbit,
Yes, sir.
N is equal to 1. So E1, so it will be there minus 13.6. Then they are saying that is what the formula you say? See the first page formula. Z square upon N square. Okay.
Let's carry upon it.
So Z square upon N square is there. So this is the
Yes,
electron
sir.
volt. Of Z value for hydrogen. So what is atomic
Yes,
number
sir.
for hydrogen? Can you tell me atomic number for hydrogen?
Atomic number for hydrogen 1.
1. Thank you very much. For helium 2. For lithium it
Yes,
is
sir.
3. Okay. This is.
Yes, sir.
So we are placing the value. So here is it will be that is minus 13.6. Z का value 1 square upon N is first orbit 1 square electron volt. So it is going to simply it is 13.6 electron volt. So what is for second orbit? Can you calculate for second orbit? For second orbit, can you try to
Yes.
calculate? Yeah, calculate for second orbit. Can you calculate, please?
Uh,
Second orbit means
Second is
N.
minus 13.6
uh,
into 2 square by 2
no.
square.
For hydrogen, you see, hydrogen.
Okay, sorry. Hydrogen.
Hydrogen.
2 by 1.
1 square, no?
1 by 2.
Uh,
Yes, sir.
1 square upon second orbit,
By
N
2.
square. 2 square.
Yes, sir. 2 square.
So,
Yes.
so how much will?
4
So minus 13.6 upon 4. So 4
by
3
4.
3.4 electron volt.
3.1.
3.4.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So will you write, Jana?
Yes, sir. Sir, can you take class only till 8? Cause sir, over here current went, sir. I don't have much data.
Oh, okay, okay. Up
And
to
my
a-
parents also are not at home.
okay, 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 no problem.
Yes, sir.
Can you please write down this one?
Yes, sir.
Done this page?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay,
Wait, sir. Wait.
okay, okay, no problem.
Yeah, done.
This one. Zainab, what business your father is doing here in India?
Nothing, sir.
Okay. Done?
Yeah, done, sir.
One more page is there, very small. That one.
Hmm?
Problems. Can you do the problems?
Done, sir.
Okay. We are going for the next one. Diagram is also there. If you draw, it will be good one. This is the K, L, M, N. So we can write the sub energy.
Okay, sir.
If I will try to write the energy of this orbit, so it is the minus 13.6 is coming. So here I am writing, it is coming minus 13.6. And how much coming for the second orbit? Minus 3.4 electron volt. It is also electron volt. And so on, it will go further, so on, it will come energy for this one. Something will come for this one and this one, right? So for this is hydrogen atom.
Okay, sir.
I'm giving you the another questions. You try this one.
Okay,
Calculate,
sir.
calculate the radius of first to third orbit of hydrogen atom. First to third orbit of hydrogen atom. Calculate the radius of first to third orbit of hydrogen atom.
Yes, sir.
Diagram over. Can I erase the diagram?
Yes, sir.
So they are talking about no, radii of orbit. So radii, if I am calculating radii of first orbit.
Yes, sir.
So what is the formula? If you know the formula, R1 for first orbit. No, for if I'm writing for first orbit. So for first orbit, n is equal to going to be 1. So R1
Yes.
is equal to, it is going to be 0.529 into n square upon z picometer. So you can put or place the value 0.529 into n square, that is 1 square, z1 picometer. So it is going to be 0.529 picometer. Now, if you go, that is for second
Yes,
orbit,
sir.
for second orbit. So if you are going for second orbit, so second orbit n is equal to, it is going to be 2. So n is equal to 2. So that is R2 is equal to what will be there? 0.529 into 2 square upon Z value. For hydrogen atom, Z value how much? For hydrogen atom, we talk about, for hydrogen atom, Z is equal to 1. So simple one. So what that is picometer? So here you can do 0.529 into 4. So 4 9 ja 36, carry out 3. 4
Yes,
2
sir.
ja 8, 8 3 11, carry out, that is how much? 1. 4 5 ja 20, that is 21. Decimal 1 2 3, 2.116, 2.116, it will be picometer. Can you be able to understand this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, write down please. Write down and you calculate for third orbit. For third orbit, you tell me. For third orbit.
Okay, sir.
मेरा माई दादीच माई ये ले आओ
Done, sir.
Okay, can you do this problem? For third orbit, how much will come? This one.
For third orbit.
For third orbit, what you will do?
Yes, sir. Ratio 0.529 into 3 square by 1,
Okay, good, 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 good.
which is
So,
9.
okay, okay. 0.529 into 3 square upon 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
0.529 into 9.
into 9 picometer. So how much will come? Can you guess? 9 9 ja 81, carry 1. 9 2 ja 18, 18, 18 and 8 26, carry 2. 9 5 ja 45, 45 to 47, 4.761 picometer. This will be our answers. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
can I give you one more question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Calculate the radii of what the point they are saying. Third, calculate the radii of third orbit of वहां पे लगा calculate the radii of third orbit of lithium atom. Okay.
Yes, sir.
For third orbit, you know, for third orbit, how much will come? N is equal to 3. And Z is equal to how much will come for lithium? Can you tell me? Z is equal to how much will come? Zainab, for Z is equal to lithium,
Yes, sir.
how much will come Z value for lithium?
Yes, sir.
Value, you tell me the value. Z value.
Value
Z value.
1,
This C
3, 3.
3. Place the value and tell me the answer. Radii. So R3 is equal to what will come? 0.529
5 to
multiply
9 into 3 by 3.
3 square by 3.
3
5
by
to
3,
9.
which is 3.
Yes.
If we cancel,
3 9
0 0.529 into 3.
the 3 2 ja 6, 6 to 8, 3 5 ja 15. So 1.587 kg.
1.587.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I erase?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now we are going for the orbital.
Sure,
What
I
is
will
the-
do it tomorrow.
Okay, tomorrow you want.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, no problem. Okay, bye, take care.
Sir, can you send the screenshots for today, please?
Okay, I'll say.
Yeah. Because I missed few of them.
Okay, I'll say.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye.